Hello, for our spelling bee this year, we're going to use a new program called Zoom. So the first thing you want to do is go open your web browser on your computers, and you're going to type in, we recommend using Chrome, but you're going to type in Zoom, ZOOM.us, and it's going to pull up this website. Once you are to this website, you're going to click on Sign Up. It's free. So you'll click there, and then you're going to put your JCPS email address in there. And then you're going to click Sign Up. And it says, welcome, please confirm your email below to get us started. So you'll confirm it, then click Confirm. Then it's going to send an email to that email, your email address. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my email. And it'll say Zoom account activation. So once you get this email, it may take a little bit of time to get to you. You're going to click on Activate Account. And then once you get to the Activate Account, it's going to say, welcome to Zoom. Hi, Julie.Powers. Your account has been successfully created. Please list your name and create a password to continue. So you're going to put your name. Don't put my name. Put your name. And then you have to do a password. Passwords must have at least 8 characters, have at least 1 letter, 1 number, and include both upper and lowercase characters. You cannot contain only 1 character, meaning it can't be like 11111 or AAA, and it contain only consecutive characters like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, as those are not secure. So you're going to put that password in there. And then you're going to write it down so you remember it, because we have way too many passwords now, so you need to start writing them down. And then you can invite your colleagues. Don't do that. You just want to skip this step. Okay. Now it's time to start your test meeting. So you want to, you can go to start a meeting now. Okay. So if nothing prompts, it's going to do a download. You should see a download down here. So it's going to put in what's kind of like a little plug-in. So it will start downloading this program. You may get a pop-up that asks if you want to continue and allow the Zoom program. You want to go ahead and click on yes or continue. So then you'll get one of these. So and what you want to click on is automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. All right. And then you're all set up. Now, we're going to exit out of the screen, and you want to end the meeting. Okay. So then let's go back to our Zoom program, and you want to join a meeting. So if I want to join a meeting, it's going to come up with a member ID or personal link name. So Mr. Connolly is going to start this meeting. So you'll get an email from him. Okay. You can click on the link here. Okay. Or in this little tiny writing down here, you'll see where it says meeting ID, and you can put that number in there. I recommend putting the number in here. It seems to work better, but for other people, they may want to do that. So you copy and paste that and click on link or join, excuse me. All right. So I always put that I always want to open Zoom meetings. So if it says open Zoom meetings, I would always click open Zoom meetings. So it's launching. Hi, Mr. Connolly.
Hello.
And that's how that will work there. And what you can do is you can mute so they don't hear you in the background. And you're going to want to do that for all of our sessions, because you don't want the spelling bee participants hearing everything. Okay, now that the phone call is over, you don't want the spelling bee participants to hear all of that information. So you want to click on mute down here. Okay, you can chat, you can record it, but that's all there is to it. And you can kind of hear me in the background because I'm in the room with Mr. Connolly. So I hope this helps you, and I will not be in the building the day we do the spelling bee, but Mr. Connolly will be here, Ms. Purrier will be here, and everybody will be able to assist you with getting this set up. But we wanted to get this set up for you all today so that you would be able to do that.